Vanakkam. Now we are going to solve problem 3.9c from Digital Design by Moris Mano's 5th edition. The question is to find all the prime implicants for the following Boolean function and to determine which are essential prime implicants. Okay, let's get started. So here we have the function f of a comma b comma c comma d that is equal to sigma summation of the minterms 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12 and 13. So the first step in this problem is to place the ones into the corresponding cells for the minterms. Okay, so we are going to do it now. So the first minterm is 2. So it is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13. So the next step is to group them, combine them in powers of 2 as adjacent ones. Okay. So here we don't have 16 number of adjacent ones, we don't have 8 number of adjacent ones, but we have 4 number of adjacent ones, isn't it? So we can combine them. First we can form a group like this. So we form a quad by combining the minterms 2, 3, 6, 7 like this. Okay, so this is loop 1 and we are going to write corresponding minterm values. So the minterms are 2, 3, 6, 7 and its corresponding expression is, it covers these two, right? And here column wise these two, so it is a dash and here it is c. So this is the minimal expression for loop 1. Now we go for the second loop formation. So it is these 4 ones can be combined. We name it as loop 2. So its corresponding minterms of 4, 5, 6, 7 and its corresponding expression is a dash b, because column wise all the columns are covered, so it is equal to 1. Okay, so only this. Now we move on to the third one. So here you can cover these 4 ones together and it can be named as loop 3. So it covers the minterms 4, 5, 12, 13. So its corresponding expression is, here it covers these two, a dash b and ab, column wise c dash d dash and c dash d. So the corresponding expression is b and here it is c dash. Then we go for combining these two ones, right? These two ones can be combined. So this is loop 4. It covers the minterms 9, 11. Value expression is a b dash and here it is c dash d and cd. So we have to write only d, right? So now these all expressions or these loops are now known as prime implicants, isn't it? This is prime implicant 1 and this is prime implicant number 2 and this is prime implicant 3 and this one is prime implicant 4. So now we can write the prime implicants as a dash c, a dash b, b c dash and a b dash d. These are all the prime implicants. So among these prime implicants we have to determine what are all the essential prime implicants. So now we go for that. So if you check this first loop, in this it covers 2, 3, 6, 7 minterms. In this the second and third minterms are covered only once by this first loop alone, but the 6 and 7 are covered by 2 loops. Anyhow, this 2 and 3 are covered only once, so this becomes the essential prime implicant. If a minterm in a particular loop is covered only once, then it is a essential prime implicant. Now we go for loop 2. So if you look at loop 2, in this 4th and 5th minterms are covered by 2 loops. Similarly, 6th and 7th are covered by 2 loops. That is this blue and yellow here, yellow and red. Okay, so all these minterms are covered twice. So this is not an essential prime implicant. Okay, so this is just a prime implicant. With that it stops. Now we go for loop 3. So if you look at loop 3, in this 4th and 5th minterms are covered twice, but 12 and 13, these two minterms are covered only once. Okay, so this is essential prime implicant. So this one is essential. And we go for loop 4. The loop 4 is covering the minterms 9 and 11. Okay, This is covered only once by look for alone. That's why it is also an essential prime implicant. That's it. So we have three essential prime implicants, only one prime implicant which can be ignored actually. These three prime implicants itself they can cover. Okay. Thank you.